Hi everyone, this is the fourth film about power quality by Comsys. Today I'll tell about our installed base and a little bit about a cruise ship and the difference in variable frequency drives before and after 2005. We'll start with that. So before 2005 and after, there were about 56 megawatt installed effect. Before 2005, that was about 10% with variable frequency drives. After 2005, it increased, so now it's about 70%. This means that there's a lot of distortion that has to be handled. Comsys filter will help you with that. Comsys has a big installed base for the marine applications. We have done compensation, for example, for deep well pumps for tankers. We have done HVAC systems on board various ships. We have done pump compensation on trawlers or live fish carriers. We have done complete power compensation on luxury yachts or ventilation for cargo holds on PTCCs or RoRo carriers. So basically any load with a VFD, here we can support you. There's a new set of rules coming out from IAX not long ago. It's called IAX URE24. They handle distortion and harmonics. It says that any new build after 2020, they actually have to measure their harmonics and they have to log it as well. Now, in case they exceed the limit, they have to compensate with a filter, for example. Comsys can help you with that. First of all, to specify what you need for your new build. Secondary, of course, we can help you with the installation and the compensation, so you are always in compliance and you have a safe operation. For all of that, we will be more than happy to help you, so please contact us and we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you very much.